Hi, my name's Dr. Tracey Lloyd. I'm a senior lecturer here at the School of Psychology at Bangor University, and I am so sorry that you haven't been able to join us for an open day this year. I just want to take a few minutes though to tell you about why I think that the School of Psychology at Bangor Uni is such a special and exciting place to work and to study. The School of Psychology is one very large, very diverse community of researchers, so lecturers, professors, doctors, experts in their field from all over the world who are working with a very diverse community of students. We have students from all over the world with all sorts of interests in psychology, and this mix makes us such an interesting and vibrant place to be. The School of Psychology is really well known for our excellent research, but we're also well known for our excellent teaching. And what makes us very special is that we have a dedicated teaching team. I'm one of those teaching team members, and my job, 9 to 5, is to work with students, to teach them, to help them to become researchers in their own right, to help them to become scientists, and also to provide pastoral care. So we're really proud of our pastoral care here in the School of Psychology. We have a team, as I say, who are on call. There's somebody 9 to 5, 5 days a week in their office. Their time is reserved for our students. So if any of our students have an emergency or if they're really worrying about something, then they can come and see us. And I think that's a really important thing that we offer in psychology, and it's very different to some other places. We also have a lot of very unique learning experiences. So in our modules, you won't just be taught by a lecturer standing up and telling you stuff. You'll also come in for seminar work, for group work around laptops as you manipulate statistics. You will also learn how to make blogs, how to make websites, because we assess you in a lot of different ways. Some of our modules are really quite out there, so we use gamification of modules, and we also have a third year module called Born to Run, where we use psychological principles to help students achieve goals. And one of those goals is to run a marathon. As well as our fantastic teaching resources, we've also got some world-class research resources. So we use all manner of experimental equipment, from fMRI machines to TMS. And if you don't know what those initials stand for, give it a Google, because you're going to be a scientist one day and your job is to do research. We also work with what we call the Apprenticeship Model. And what this means is that as you go through your degree, you start off doing some very basic modules that will help you learn the skills that you need to be a scientist and give you a really good grounding in what psychology is all about. So you'll learn a lot of research methods, you'll learn how to write like a scientist, to critically evaluate like a scientist, and you'll do some exciting content modules as well, like the psychology of faith and culture, the psychology of language and its disorders, stress and distress, and brain and mind. And in the brain and mind module, you'll actually experience a brain dissection, because we are a university that has a human tissue license, so we're actually able to work with a real human brain. But once you go through your first year and you begin to move up through this apprentice model, you will be able to work with a supervisor in an area of your choice, and that supervisor will be an expert in their field. So they'll be conducting real world, real applied research, and you'll be part of their lab to do that. And that's what we mean by apprentice-based. So you'll be able to choose something that is important to you and something that you are eager to learn about. And in your third year, you'll spend a whole year working on that research project. We also like to think that our student satisfaction is pretty high. And in fact, we have evidence for that in the form of the National Student Survey. So our last NSS scores, we were at 95% overall satisfaction. And that shows that our students really do value their time here at university. Part of this will be the clubs and societies that they join. and the things that they do that will strengthen their degree in terms of their employability. But constantly, the feedback we get from our students is that we are a friendly department, we're a caring department, and we are a community. And that's one of the things that I'd like you to think about when you're choosing where to study. Are you going to fit in that sort of an environment? We're set in the most fantastic area of North Wales. I was born and bred here, so yes, I am slightly biased, but our mountain ranges are just glorious. Our seas, our beaches are absolutely terrific. There's something for everybody in Bangor, I believe. So we do hope to hear from you soon. If you'd like more information from us, then please do get in touch with us. You can do that via the Bangor website, where you will find our email address. You can do that via our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter. We also have Facebook groups. So please do find out what you can about us, and what you still need to know, email in and ask, and we'd be more than happy to give you other information. Thanks so much for taking the time out to listen. I hope to see you soon.